What's going on, guys? Got a 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit with a messed up trunk latch. I was in the middle of doing it, but I was like, let me make a quick little video. It's pretty straightforward. You got a screw here and another one on that side. It's a Phillips. On mine it's a Phillips, or whatever it is. Just take it out. But on the trunk latch they use triple squares. It's an 8mm. I have this kit, or my dad got this off of Amazon. This is what they look like. Has a bunch of teeth. They're called triple squares. You basically just, after you pull the panel down, you got 2 bolts. Loosen those up. It's gonna pull out and you're gonna see the connector. I'll show you real quick. Alright, so after you take those 2 screws out, this basically just pulls out and there's a connector right here. Loosen that up. Kind of hard to do on one hand, but basically you just, oh shit, it fell right out. All right, so now I grab your new latch. After you took the old one out, it's basically plug it back in, put the 2 nuts back in, pop the panel back in, and you're done. I recommend getting it on Amazon. Got this one for 18 bucks and it came the next day. And that's basically it. You plugged it back in, put the 2 screws in, put the screws in back here, pop the panels back into place, and just now she locks, no issue. Opens and closes. There you go.